Aloe vera for face skin care. Aloe vera beauty benefits are amazing for our skin. With our homemade remedies, you will see the best results instantly. How to use aloe vera for skin care. Cut aloe vera into 2 pieces and rub its gel onto your face. Use your hands to apply gel onto your face. Leave it on face for 15 minutes or until it dries. Rinse, peel the aloe vera mask off of your face. Wash your face with water. Do it for 7 days and see the results. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, please leave a comment below.
Please subscribe to my channel and press bell icon for latest video notification so you never miss anything.